Well, welcome to Weld.com. And man, we got to do this giveaway. 250,000 subscribers. Really appreciate the support that you give us from all over the world. I mean, it's unbelievable. Heartfelt thanks to everybody. So we're going to do this giveaway. We're going to do like 7 different prizes and 7 winners. So let's start laying out some prize packs. First prize, got our ProStar handheld tungsten grinder. Very robust model for exact diamond grinds on your tungsten. We've used this a lot here in the shop in our demonstrations and our teaching and training. It's a very solid unit. I like this a lot. I've also got a pack of, I imagine there'll be a couple packs of tungsten in here. E3, purple tungsten, probably a couple different sizes, I would think. These already have a nice, ooh, these got various Schleifwinkels ground on them already. One of those, oh God, that's sharp again, yep. All right, that's first prize, and it's a really good one. Second prize, I thought it was 210. Shut up, Mike, I'm in the middle of a video. Second prize, Everlast, I'm sorry, we gotta go over again. Second prize, Everlast 210 XTL. This little rascal's DC stick and TIG. It's got set up for lift arc, 2T and 4T. Also with that, for you folks that have not worn Caimen gloves, you're in for a treat. These are so comfortable. Here's some quality gloves right here. Love that fit, that durability. Fine product. Mike, get out of here. I'm in the middle of a video. Don't fart anymore. Third prize, got a couple of shirts here. Got Denim, got a Weld.com sticker, got a Weld.com t-shirt that Mancub's got metal shavings on or something, I don't know. Third prize, I thought there was something else that was, oh, here it is. $600 for tab and slot. Unbelievable. $600 for any of their products. Their tables, fab horses, the positioner, or the brake press. So $600 from tab and slot. Next prize, ESAB Sentinel A50. I think a couple of idiots are going to sign this. I know I'm going to. I'll find that other idiot around here. Oh, there he is.
Who's that?
That'd be you.
Oh, me? Yeah.
Yeah, we'll sign it. We'll put the signatures on the sides there. Hopefully we can get some stay. Weld.com sticker on there. We'll personalize this rascal. For those of you that have not worn this hood, you're in for a treat, the winner. Next prize, got the M150 torch kit. One torch, 20 different configurations. This thing is really cool, very versatile. You got all kinds of head configurations, angled heads, straight heads, different sizes between 17, 20, let's see, yeah, 17, 20, and 24 series torches. Fine unit right here. Wait, there's more. Next prize. Got a little Flange Wizard items here. For those of you that aren't familiar with Flange Wizard, you need to start looking these folks up. If you do pipe work, if you do some fab work, you need to look these folks up. They got a long list of really good quality products. I met the gentleman that started this company in FabTech in Atlanta, and this guy is, he's all about the quality. Keeps it right here in the United States. This item here is a magnetic torch guide. You can lock these magnets down, insert this guide in here, and do all your straight cuts and your bevels, so you don't have to do all that grinding. We've also got a large, yep, those are large, all right. Large set of 2-hole pins, magnetic 2-hole pins. I wish I had these back when I was doing all my pipe fitting. So much easier than doing the threaded clamps. But imagine these just don't want to come loose and back off like my threaded items did. Good quality stuff right there for pipe fitting. We're not done. Next prize is a 4-pack variety pack of Piher clamps. We did some interviews, we did some stuff at FabTech Atlanta, and we had immediate response. Everybody's wanting these clamps, and I can see why. I mean, these things, if you have not checked these out, and you do fit and fab work, you need to get real serious and take a look at these things right here. These things are designed, you know, they've got all kinds of just features that are so simple and they make so much sense. You know, number one thing is not coming down on its own. You don't have to readjust all the time. This mechanism in here is like a 2-to-1 mechanical advantage. You can sit here and hand crank something and really put pressure on it. But if you need to, you can do the breakover thing and crank it on even more. I saw the actual tests of the compression test, the measurable test, and I looked at the numbers, and it was phenomenal. It's just a great design. Can't say enough about them. So, I believe we have, that's 7. I found one more. Let's give away the camera guy's pin. Again, big shout out to you folks, you supporters. It's just unbelievable, overwhelming community. I told myself I wasn't going to cry during this thing here, and I might break up and tear up because it's a heartfelt thanks for everything that you do to support us. And a big shout out to all of our supporters for stepping up and getting behind this giveaway. These are some quality products. You know, we don't dabble in junk with what we do. It's all about the time, the quality, the production. We don't like scab work, and we don't like to dabble in poo. We try to do quality products all the time. That's what it's all about. So again, to enter, you got to click the link below. And this giveaway ends on January 1st at midnight. So make sure you sober up and get to breathing right and do all your clicking and send the right stuff in to the camera guy. I want to say a great big thank you to you. Seriously, big thank you for supporting us over the years. Means a lot. Thanks for watching Weld.com.